Hey there, it's Ryan Skaggs, and this is the Mortgage Minute. We're into mid-August now. This channel is dedicated to everything real estate, mortgage, and interest rates, and let's dive into those interest rates. So over the past week, we've actually been pretty flat. So we're down to 2.86 on the average 30-year fixed. I've got a link below to the Freddie Mac average 30-year fixed from week to week. Great chart. While you're down there, hit that like button, hit that subscribe, click that bell icon to be notified as I'm putting out weekly videos on everything mortgage, real estate, and interest rates. So what we really want to talk about today is this unknown term that people just don't talk about, and that is a recast. A lot of times people think I need a bridge loan. We're going to explain all those today. So let's take you onto the screen and give you an example. I had this come up. I own a current condo for this client that we're using this example of. I have a current condo in Chicago. It's worth about $300,000. I've done awesome. I've paid the mortgage down. I owe about $200,000. So I have $100,000 of equity in the home before any expenses come out. Well, I want to buy a new home. Where do I get that down payment? Sometimes people think I need a bridge loan. Meaning that they want to bridge the gap to the new property. They want to get a loan based on that equity that they already have in their current home. Well, here's a thought. Here's an idea. And I think a better one for most clients. Now, every single scenario is going to be different. You've got to apply to be able to see if you qualify and be able to see if this really is best for you. And I will also give you the asterisk is every single servicer of a loan is going to have a different policy on recast, how they do it, how much it is. We're going to talk more about that. But now get back into our scenario. We want to buy a $500,000 home. The minimum down payment is $25,000. That's 5%. So just basic scenario. Again, you got to, apply to be able to see what you qualify for. But if you can come up with the 25, what you can do is put that absolute bare minimum, right? You don't have a ton in savings. You don't want to liquidate. You put that absolutely bare minimum down. Okay. And then what you do, after you sell the condo, you pay the new mortgage down. So let's say that example again was $500,000. You put 25, you got a loan of $475. You take that $100,000 and you pay it down. Now you've got a loan of $375,000. You've got a home that's worth $500,000. You can ask the servicer for a recast. And what that does is you're going to say, servicer, I want a new payment based upon the balance that I have today, $375, divided across however many months are left in the loan. So if you did this 6 months in, then if you did a 30-year fix, you have 253 months left, right? So they're going to divide the $375,000 across the 353 months, and they're going to come up with a new payment. So your payment will reduce. Likely, you'd be able to drop mortgage insurance altogether. You would have paid it for maybe 3, 4, 5, 6 months. Who knows how long it takes. Sometimes there is a 12-month minimum. You never know. You need to ask. But long story short, there's no real cost associated. Most of the recasts are maybe $100, $200. You don't have to do a full refi. You don't have to try to take out a loan or, do a bridge loan and pay fees for that. It all costs money. So in this case, this is a really good alternative to do what we would call a recast. After you sell the current home, pay down that new mortgage, and then get a new payment based upon where you wanted to be anyway. And as long as you can qualify for both mortgages or qualify for both homes, it is an absolute great opportunity to do that. And nobody ever knows about it or talks about it in this market. So this is Ryan Skaggs for the Mortgage Minute. Thank you so much for tuning in. Again, get down there, hit that like button, hit that subscribe. I would be forever grateful for the subscribe, and hit that bell icon to be notified every single week of putting out new videos. All right. Have a great day. Be safe, and we'll see each other again very, very soon.